Yawn. Alright guys, so today is the day. I decided to make the leap, and I am ordering a 2018 Mustang. I have it on order right now. And because that is happening, this old girl has to go. It took us a couple of days, but I found a buyer. It's another military guy. He's located out of Atlanta, and he is meeting us down at the bank this morning. So this is going to be the last startup that I ever have in my 2013 here. So I figured today would be a perfect day to record a nasty ass cold start and make a little bit of a memory video. Everyone's gonna wonder why I decided to get out of my car and get into a 2018. Where I am with the car right now, I've kind of hit the limits. On the 2013s, everyone knows that they didn't come with any sort of built motor, as well as the transmission. The MT82 is extremely iffy in them. And sitting where I am right now, I'm always wanting more power, and I can't do that with this car the way it sits. In order to get it to where I'd want it to be, I need to put probably another 18 to 20 grand into it. I need a built motor, I need a built transmission, I need to change up a little bit of the fueling system, and to me, it's not worth putting the $20,000 into it to get it to the baseline of where I could be if I got an 18 and did the same work. Yes, the body style is not the same, and I'm going to miss the 13 and 14 year body style. Yes, I've had the car for 6 years, and it was actually the very first car that I ever purchased on my own without anyone else on the lien. I bought it over in Hawaii while I was in the Navy. It was the first car that I ever turned a wrench on, actually. This is the very first car that turned me into a car guy and got me to where I am today. So it definitely has a lot of sentimental value, and I never saw myself getting rid of it. But as time went on and I started thinking about it more and more and started realizing what I wanted to do with the car and the future of everything, it definitely came down to being a better decision to get myself into something new, get myself into something a little bit nicer than what I have now. And so that's what we're doing.
I'll call you right back.
This is it. Well, and with that, she's gone. It was a long 6 years, and that truly was the car that got me to where I am today. It got me into everything related to the car scene, and kind of helped shape who I've become. It's definitely not the end, though. I know the new owner is going to absolutely love it. He's enthused to the max. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. And it's time for a new chapter for me. I do have, like I've said, a 2018 on order. It is going to be the metallic gray, same one. And I'm planning on doing an homage to the first car, but of course with a little bit of a different twist on it. So for now we're going to go off the air a little bit because there's not going to be a whole lot to show, but middle of January we're going to come back strong with something new.